Hi, welcome back to another day, another slay! Charot! So here we are again, we're going to cook. I'm going to cook. Yes, mag-cook tayo ng tilapia. And here, I'm with the sandamakmak na sibuyas kasi last part na iyan. And I'm going to put some capsicum and this last ampalaya of my life. Ang hirap magpaksiw ng tilapia pag walang luya, no? Kasi hindi na ako nakabili. So, whatever it takes, I'm going to cook. Sabi nga ni Daniela. So, here is the half panat na ampalaya. Na-frozen yung ampalaya ko. Sayang. So, anyway, ampalaya pa rin naman siya. I'm going to cook na. So, I'm here slicing the ampalaya na. And with that, I'm going to cut only in centimeter, inch. Ay, ano ba? Ang gulo. Centimeter, 1 centimeter each lang para sakto sa bibig. Oh, see? That one. And I put that on the rotating kinemi dyan. Oo, ang ganda yun. Bonggang-bongga yan. Tuwang-tuwa ako dyan sa lagayan ng gulay na yan. Napapaikot-ikot. So, I'm also putting capsicum. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang itry. And wala na kasi akong paghahaluan ng capsicum eh. Kaya ihahalo ko na rito sa paksiw. Bakit ba? So, anyway, I'm cutting the capsicum na. And sobrang kapal ng laman ng capsicum. Parang ang sarap na lang isalad. Pero, I'm not in the mood to eat raw foods. Last time yan, raw foods. So, ayan, diba, na-slice na. Bongga na din yan. Kasi maganda naman yung kulay sa paksiw. I do not know lang ha, kung ako lang naglagay nito. Pero, wala lang. I'm learning. I'm teaching. Ano ba? Ang gulo. So, here na, I'm salansaning the bawang and that fish, the gulay, the sibuyas. I put also a lot of bawang kasi nga pantanggal ng lansa. Kasi walang luya eh. So, ayan, 3 pieces lang for breakfast, dinner, and breakfast again. Isang meal, isang isda, ganun. With vegetables naman yan nakasama and other ulam pa naman from the other day eh. So, yes, I'm putting some 57 tak-tak of Himalayan salt and 95 worth of paminta. See, di ba? Ang dami. Wala lang. Masarap kayo marami paminta. And I'm posting also this one, liquid seasoning from Knorr. Kala mo yun. And the artificial, the bida ng ating recipe is artificial recipe. Kasi hindi ako nakabili ng dato puti. And 57 ml of water. Gusto mo yan? May pa 57 ml. And here na, ay, muntik pang masunog ang kamay. So here na, kumukulo-kulo na siya and actually luto na siya. And that's it because this is breakfast. I'm going to eat. Kung nakikita niya may ibang foods, yes, I'm eating also the foods from the other day. Gusto mo yan? Kasi hindi naman nauubos agad, diba? So, I'm still consuming it na. Sayang. So, wala tayong rice for today's video. Pack. Diba? Kahit mainit. Go lang ng go me. Yes. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. So here, after maglinis and kumain and maglinis actually. So watching Netflix na. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.